Hey guys, this is Hiba from Autel Tech Support. Welcome back to another Autel Tech Tip video. Today we will go over some questions about the MaxiSYS Elite and where the SD card is located on the tool. The reason why you might want to insert the SD card is if you get messages during your updates. If you see here, if I try to download GM, it's going to refuse to download and tell me that I don't have enough space. So one way is to remove other vehicles that are already downloaded, but we do not recommend that. So in order to increase the memory, we have to add the SD card into the tool. Click OK, and let's flip the tool to the back. If you flip the tool over and pull up the stand, you will see screws around the edge that you're supposed to remove. What you will need is a T5 Torx screwdriver. Yours will be green and yellow, which is included in your kit. Now let's remove the screws. Once you remove the screws, you can take off the back cover and expose the battery. You will see the microSD card slot in the top left corner. Go ahead and move the battery to the side slightly without disconnecting it to access the slot. Go ahead and insert a 16 GB SanDisk microSD card class 10. You can go up to 32. You don't necessarily need anything larger than that. Once you have the SD card in, go ahead and put the screws back into the cover. Once you have the SD card in the tool, go ahead and go to Data Manager, then Vehicle Management. It will show you only 4 vehicles that you can move to the SD card. So what you have to do is by one, hit the download button and let that move over to the microSD card inside the tool. Once you're able to download all the vehicles, go back into Updates and start doing your update. You'll see that it starts to download now. If you have any questions about how to do this or need assistance, please contact our tech support at 855-288-3587. Thank you for choosing Autel. Have a great day.